This next translation is simply called Daniela, and it's kind of like an agony aunt style of story where someone goes looking for advice. You can see the full script here. So let's go and try to translate the first phrase. So it says, Daniela has gone to see her friend Maria because she wants her advice. She has a problem with her neighbor and she doesn't know how to solve it. Her friend Maria tells her that she shouldn't worry and that together they're going to find a way to fix it. So Daniela has gone. So the verb here is ir, to go, right? In the past. And this simply goes to ido with the have past, because here we have the have past. So it would be ha ido, has gone. Daniela ha ido. Then it goes to see her friend. Now remember, after the verb ir, so like boya, basa, bamosa, or in the past was going to, iba, it tends to be followed by this a, and so this is no exception. So has gone to see, the verb here is ver, and here we have to throw in the personal a. Very easy to forget that, right? Because here we have a verb and followed by some type of a person. So a, and then it's going to be su amiga, amiga because it's Maria, right? So feminine. So we have Daniela ha ido a ver a su amiga Maria. Just once more, the two a's here. So very often after the verb ir, as we know from our handles, throws in this a. Normally it gets contracted, so you hear, instead of boy a, you hear boya. So it's easy to forget that we have this a following that ir verb a lot. So that explains why this a is in here. And this a is the personal a. So we have Daniela ido a ver a su amiga Maria. Okay, because she wants her advice. So we have porque. She wants is quiere. And her advice is su consejo. This is her, and then advice. Consejo is like this. It continues with she has a problem with her neighbor. So she has is tiene. A problem, un problema. Never forget that even though we have problema ending in a, it's always masculine. So it's un problema. With her neighbor, right? Con su neighbor is vecino. Like this. And she doesn't know how to solve it. Okay, so she doesn't know would be e. The verb to know is saber, and she doesn't know would be sabe. You know, sabe. And how to solve it? In Spanish, they use this verb resolver, to resolve it. So they would use it here. So, no sabe, como for how, and then resolve it instead of solve it. Resolver, and the it gets tagged on. No sabe cómo resolverlo. So then we have her friend Maria. So we're just going to repeat what's up here. Su amiga Maria tells her. So this is telling to her, right? So the her is going to be le. To her, she tells. Le dice that she shouldn't worry. So we'll just get rid of that first with que. She shouldn't is a handle, right? No debería. And then the verb to worry is preocuparse. It's reflexive. She shouldn't worry herself. The se at the end is, right, herself or himself or itself. And we're using the full verb here because it's following this handle. Okay. Su amiga María le dice que no debería preocuparse. That's for worry here. Preoccupy herself. and that together, y, que, together in Spanish is junto, right? But it's plural, so you would have juntos. But we must remember that we're talking about two women here. And as Spanish takes every opportunity it can to agree, grammatically, this actually goes to juntas instead of juntos. So they are going to, that's a handle, right? Van. See the a following here, right? The same as up here, it's the same verb, ir, van. Find, we just put encontrar, right? To encounter. A way to fix it. This away, we have a phrase in Spanish is una manera de. So una manera. So that would be away, and it's followed by de. So you just learn it as one phrase. A way to would be una manera de, whatever it is, to fix it. We're going to repeat a verb that we came across before, because here again, they wouldn't use reparar, because that means literally to fix a mechanical thing, right? So the correct verb here is arreglar. Arreglar is like to put in order, to put things in order. De arreglar lo, to fix it, right? You could also use another verb like to find the solution. They have solucionarlo, so you could also put in that one if you found it easier. So we have solucionar, and solucionarlo would kind of work in the same way. So there we have the first phrase or paragraph. Daniela ha ido a ver a su amiga María porque quiere su consejo. Tiene un problema con su vecino y no sabe cómo resolverlo. Su amiga María le dice que no debería preocuparse y que juntas van a encontrar una manera de arreglarlo o solucionarlo.